This is Penny, who is a 6 to 9 month old little girl, and she's looking for a home. And she has a habit of doing something really cute. What she does is she sits in a particular place, and it happens to be on your shoulder. We can't get any work done. Tim can't clean any cages because he bends down, and Penny just jumps right on top of him. Isn't this funny? You're like a little parrot. Did you think that you were a parrot? You're a kitten, you're not a parrot. Are you supposed to be on his shoulder? You crazy kitty. Let me tell you, if you want a lap cat, or should I say a shoulder cat, give us a call. We're Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. We're a no-kill animal shelter. We are 100% volunteers. And if you'd like a cat to, you know, maybe hang out on your shoulder, kind of like a little shawl, keep you warm in the winter, we've got you covered. Please consider adopting this beautiful kitty from Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. Tim, don't you think she's great?
Yeah.
She's a cutie. Thanks for watching.